Leicha is a traditional Hakka dish. This secret recipe is passed down from my popo. Leicha consists of the tea soup, vegetables, and toppings. Traditionally, there should be 7 stir-fried vegetables such as choy sam, kailan, tofu, long bean, leek, cabbage, black-eyed pea, or azuki bean. Pickled radish is a must. The tea soup is prepared by pounding all the ingredients in a huge mortar and pestle, including tea leaves, roasted sesame, stir-fried Thai basil, and roasted peanut. I ground the peanut beforehand to speed up the pounding process. This is me hand grinding the soup base, the traditional way. The pounded paste is then mixed with hot water and water from boiled bean. Hakka Leicha is finally served with rice or puffed rice or the vegetable sides topped with sesame, peanut and drenched with the tea soup.